the force or the pull by which an object is attracted towards Earth or another celestial body is known as gravity. But the gravitational is kind of different thing, because we cannot denote gravity and gravitational pull as the same constant or another thing. Like we use a small g for gravity, and gravitational pull is which by what an object can attract another object or a thing by making unlike charges between them. Like it can be plus minus AB, and they can be infinite. Unlike charges can be infinite. Like an object has a charge of 5.7 and another of plus, ठीक है? And another object has a charge of minus 5.7. These are unlike charges but same. And we can make many relations like this, but obviously of unlike charges. So an object attracts the another object or subject, you can say. Subject is the one which we attract, and the object, no, sorry, subject are us and the object is which we attract. So attraction is everywhere. Attraction is towards you and me. You can say that we are attracting the clouds. Yes, you can say it. We are continuously applying gravitational force on the cloud, but it is diminished by the Earth's gravitational pull. Because uh, have you ever wondered what is telekinesis? And if you are a high standard, so you have, although you can study or you have to study about telekinesis. Search on Google after this video. What is telekinesis? Moving things without touching them. We can do it. It is proved. Google says no, because we are on Earth. But we can if we are on space where zero gravity exists. But because we are there, so we can make our own gravity, because we have suppose we have positive charge and the object is negative charge, and it happens never that and two objects have like charges, except magnets. Two objects don't have like charges, they have always unlike charges, like you sorry. ठीक है, तो we can discuss about this in further video. Now I think you have better understanding between gravitational force and gravity, and you have understand what is gravitational force and gravity. One more second. कौन था ये न्यूटन? कहाँ से आया था ये न्यूटन? मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि जैसे न्यूटन था, उस अब यहाँ से हिंदी है, न्यूटन था, उसके सर पे सेब आया, हमें क्या करना उससे? कभी आपने क्यों नहीं सोचा भाई? उससे पहले भी किसी ने सोचा होगा, बट उसने, मान लो किसान है तो उसने ये सोचा होगा कि यार ये सेब पक चुका है, लगता है अपनी भी फसल जो होगी वो पक चुकी होगी, अपन ने पेड़ उगाए होंगे किसी भी चीज़ के, उनको काट लेना चाहिए। किसान ने ये सोचा। अब कोई मान लो बॉडी बिल्डर टाइप का है, तो उसने ये सोचा यार ये सेब मेरे ऊपर गिरा, अभी भी मुझे लग रही है, तो मेरे को और प्रैक्टिस करनी है, या फिर कुछ भी। कि मान लो एक एथलीट ने ही सोच लिया कि सेब गिरा तो कितने उससे गिरा तो मैं उतनी उससे फेंकूंगा, वो आयरन बॉल होती है ना फेंकने वाली, तो मैं उतने उससे फेंकूंगा तो मेरी आयरन बॉल कितनी दूर तक जाएगी। तो उसने सेब का एक्सपेरिमेंट जो भी, बट न्यूटन के दिमाग में क्यों आया? क्योंकि न्यूटन उस समय कुछ भी नहीं सोच रहा था, वो शांत एकदम बिल्कुल। तो काम तो रहना ही है, और पेशेंस भी होना चाहिए। क्यों? क्योंकि आप साइंस पढ़ रहे हो, यू आर डीलिंग विद साइंस विच इज़ द मोस्ट complicated subject of all time. Everyone says maths, but if you see practically, science is a bit difficult, not for me. So bye bye, take care.